Hi everyone! Hi everyone! Kumusta kayong lahat? OOTD Fit Check. Punta tayo sa Belgium today. So, naka-dress tayo. Yung dala ko lahat is puro dress. Dress. Para hindi na tayo mag-mix ang mas. So, samahan nyo kami today. Tapos yung bag natin, diba? Yan, paborito ko yan na bag. Kay very cute show. Mamalingki lang ba? Char. Diba? Yan lang. Check, check. Tapos, ganyan magdala. Wow, pack na pack. Pack. Taba ko na. Oh, yan ang train namin. Ay, nasiksakan na tasik. Dito na kami sa train. Pero mag-transfer kami, no? Bag natin, diba? For 3 euro. May bag na tayo.
With NS, but you didn't check out and you didn't check in by NS. You can see this, it's the last one. Check in Arriva. So you have to check out by Arriva and check in by NS. Where are you going to? What is the next one? Yeah, check out.
Tingnan yung Saki, nandito na kami sa Rotterdam. Mag-transfer kami ng train. Tapos yung Saki, nagal niya makaano. Dali, dong! You still need to get your glasses. Tara na. This is naar Parijs. Anvers, North Bay, Antwerp. Nah, better we go to Paris, ba?
Hey, you could take that one also.
Okay.
But
expensive. Desa? Na train papunta yang Paris. We should go. We can even ride from here to Paris. Na next time we'll do that. So ito yung sakyan namin. Brussels, Bea, Tuk. Punta kami ng ba? Yan sakyan namin para Paris. Desa. To dito, Rotterdam Central. So yan, papuntang Paris. Yan, nasakyan namin next time. Mag-train lang kami papunta doon. Then, check yung snack niyo. I think you're hungry, but you just eat something when you're here.
Jalapeno snack.
Yeah, the torta.
Torta mamon.
Yeah, for free. Thank you, Dai. Sa Prince.
Thank you.
No, thank you.
Thank you, Dai.
Sana ang Belgium yung sinakyan namin sa Antwerp. Dala ko, snack time. Kami, welcome to Belgium. Welcome to Belgium, Antwerp. Yung maganda nila dito yung pa-train station. Welcome to Antwerp, Belgium, no? I think you like it here.
I would like it here.
Yeah, because I was gonna go here alone. But you always want to come. This is okay, but tawa naman sa akin, kasi ako lang, no? Nag-book ako. Ako lang mag-isa. Tapos hindi ko sinabi sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya, bakit ayaw mo ba ako magsama? Sabi ko, gusto ko mapag-isa. Sumama talaga siya, Sabi ko, sige, sama ka na lang. I can hear out. So, yung pa-station nila, ganda na. Sarap yung waffle nila dyan. So tara na, we go to the hotel. Yung hotel namin, same lang yung last time. Tapos malapit yung hotel namin sa station. Hindi mo na kailangang maglakad ng malayo. Bread, daming bread na tinda dito. Train pa sa babaw. So, yan na yung yan yung train station. Tapos yung hotel namin natin sa gilid. Inha Collection, Antwerp, 4-star hotel. Very good yung hotel nila dito. Yeah, this one already. Puso yung hotel nila. Mas may candy pa dyan. Libre candy, may tubig pa. Chicken pwede. Ayan ang room. Dali doon. Nice. Nice pa yung ano nila pa. Bunk nila o couch. Let's load the open. Open them. So we can have room tour. Room tour. Jung.
Okay.
Okay.
Come inside.
So we'll have a room tour. Wow, we have very large bed. I think this is king size bed. No, this is double bed pala. Double bed pala siya. Very nice, wow. Very spacious, no? What I like here, because they got 4 pillows, so that's why I don't need to bring my pillow here. So that's why very good here. Very good yung bed nila. Matigas, no? The bed was very good. Tapos may table dyan. Tapos yan. Dihan tayo dito. Ito yung pauti natin kain na noche. Panis, malamig sa labas. So, hindi ko na ito tanggalin. Maghanap kayo makakainan. And we have also here, but I think it's not for free. You need to pay for it. Some drinks. So, yan. Mga drinks nila. And, may ano din sila, minibar, coffee, tea. And the water is, I think, complimentary. Yeah. Yeah, it's good. Tapos, may, yan, hindi yan prebayaran mo. Pero yung water, free, which good. And may ano pa sila dito, cabinet. So maganda yung ano nila dito. Last time dinala ko yung paper bag nila kasi nilagyan ko ng gulay. Bili tayo ng gulay sa ano Asian store. So ito yung pano nila, pa shower. Tapos may pano dyan. Yan lang. Very nice. Tapos may pa-view tayo dito. Ano nila, yung pa-view. Not really a view, just like that. That's all. It's nice. Quiet. Okay. Chinila. Punta kami sa labas. Maghanap kami ng makakain. Kay gutom ang bito. Betok manlogsot niya. Tara na, we need to go shopping now.
Yeah. No, I got scared.
Should stay here in the room. Diamond. Pumpkin, can you buy one more diamond for me?
Sure, why not? That's cheap, right?
Huh?
That's cheap.
Oh, you bought diamond for me. Maybe the other one. Yung pa-building, ang ganda. So, tour ko naman kayo. Nice there, no?
You wanna go to the Albert Heijn?
No. The Radisson Blu, is that okay na social deal? That one. So, ito yung manggad na dito yung ano, station, pa-building. Andara 18. Thai walk. Magkain ito, Hushan House. It's closed man. Maghanap na tayo iba. Dito, masarap din dito. Pizza Club Panasio Carpaccio. El Rancho Meat. May dito Taj Mahal, Indian. Daming tao. So, tingin lang kayo dyan. Nice, no? The building ba here, no?
These buildings are really very nice.
Yeah. My God, there's a lot of people here.
Fact.
Shopping street dito. Uy, B1. B1 ay. Pa-building, oh. Yung tao dito eh. Maganda kasi yung shopping street nila. Yung pa-building. Diba? Ano yung pa-building nila? Amazing. It's an Asian store. Ano tayo dyan? Baka may makakain tayo snacks or ano. Maybe they have some snacks or something. Ang daming tao eh. Grabe. Yung pa-building nila dito. Ang ganda oh. Gold. Here. Nandito yung masasarap. Ang ganda. Tapos yung masasarap nila na ano. Pambil. Mga cakes nila ba? Ang sarap. Parang art. The cake is like an art. Oh, they also have bubble tea. Dali. What is bubble tea there? Ay, smoothie. Make your own green juice. I can the other side is smoke. Ako ano. Bili tayo ng bubble tea. May bubble tea din. Ay, wala ng bubble tea. May bubble tea man to last time. Wala na dito. Wala. Shopping na. We're going Sarah. Darling, shopping. Shopping now?
I'm scared now.
Don't be scared because you're so cute. Tingin lang tayo kasi walang Sarah doon. Ah, look nice. This one. Mahal naman ito eh. Daming tao talaga sa Sarah eh. Ang gusto kong bilhin nung mga ganito ba? Ganito. Ang ganito yung terno kasi wala akong ganito. Pero ayaw kong ganitong kulay kasi parang nakakahilo. Terno siya. Sa akin, oh, very good. Sunod siya. Dali dong! Pasok na naman tayo dito sa Uniqlo. Uniqlo. Yan doon. No, I don't. Just here. Pa din kami, hindi pa kami nakahanap ng makainan doon sa unahan. Try siguro ko yung croissant. So much bread. Mahandar, pili kayo ng bubble tea.
Wouldn't want to try this.
Tingin ako sa mga tsokola ba? Chocolate kung may yung viral chocolate ba, no? Bili kami ng milk tea. Yung pa-church nila dito. Hawaiian Poke Bowl yung kain dami restaurant dito. Pag madaming restaurant ba, mo alam kung saan ka magkain. Malibog ka, libog na libog. Yeah, bolognese, lasagna. Dito ay maganda dito. Wait there before to the Indian and now it's not the Indian anymore. Yeah. Okay, quiz. Have a look. Hanap kami makakain, hindi pa kami nakahinap. Oh, I like this one, oh, calamari. Yung pabyo namin dito kami nagkain french fries lang tapos fish and chips. In-order namin. Hanay, dami yung in-order. Ay, ni sa akin. Sabi ko medium share lang kami. Yung pabyo. Tapos ano dyan siya, fish. Tapos kami nagkain. Yung pasimbahan. Uy, punta na kami sa hotel. Pero gusto kong magkain ng dessert doon. Kasi holiday. Holiday. Pag holiday kayo ng kain. Problemahin na yung diet pag uwi. Pumpkin, no? Holiday. Eat.
All about eating.
We don't eat much. We just eat french fries. I want to eat the strawberry dessert. Yeah, because it's holiday. I will just think about on diet when we get back. To? Ay, nagkain kami french fries pero kunti lang yung kinain ko. Si Saki umubos. Uy, kay kahapon nagkain man din ako ng french fries doon sa McDo. Puro na patatas, potato, train pa. Come on, door open. No, I think the Primark is closed now. Punta kami sa yung Asian store. Kay bukas close. Daar is mooi, no?
Je kunt best eens een keer gaan zitten en een drankje of wat eten.
Yeah. Dito kami. Sana manalo tayo. 130 million. Tayo dito. What is that? I don't know. Ikanada kuan. Yeah. Ikanda kuan. There in the undercan. Daming chips. Ano ba yung chips? Ito ay masarap to i-crop. Pero hindi ako magbili niyan. Banana chips, Parang ang sarap ng banana chips nila. Tingin tayo yung pang Pinoy. Madaling gwapo. Dali na nga to. Mangita tag mapalit. Madala na to. Meron sila mango. Philippines. So, ayaw ko niyan. Yung nabili namin doon sa Asian store. Bumili kami ng nakabili tayo ng pang Mamasitas, toyo calamansi, seasoning. Tapos, nagbili ako ng Mang Tomas, Mamasitas, Mang Tomas. Gusto kong, di nabanggit ko sa last vlog natin na pagbalik kong gawa ko ng lechon. Tapos, magmukbang kami ni Saki with lechon. Tapos, ang sarap kasi sa balat ng lechon ba? Ang balat ng lechon. Tapos, pumpkin, yummy, the lechon with the Mamasitas,
Yeah, that's very nice.
Yeah, so, nagbili ako nito. Bili din ako ng Kashmiri masala paste. To siya pang Indian. Kasi mahilig mo tayo sa Indian, tapos magawa na tayo. At, nagbili din ako ng Sky Flakes, na siya, garlic flavor. I-try ko. At ito yung brand, masarap to. Naalala ko nung punta kami ni Saki sa Korea. Lagi ko itong binibili doon sa mall. Kaya masarap ba. Ganito sticks yan. Tapos nagbili ako ng mogo. Yun lang. Ano pa marami? Yun lang. Ang sarap nito. Magkain ko konti. Tikman natin. Ang tagal ko na hindi nakakain ito. Nung punta kami sa Korea. Ang tagal na. Ito siya, steak. Yun lang. Pag pag may rigla, para bang Gusto mo lang masig kain ng kain. Parang nagkrikrib ka lagi ba? Ganyan ako, pag may regla ako, parang nagkikrib ako lagi. Hindi ko maintindihan, eh. Kaya tumaba ako ba? Sarap niya. So, yun ang pa-vlog natin today. Mabilis muna ako, tapos maligo at matulog kami maaga kahit hindi din kami masyadong katulog kanina kaya maaga kami gumising. So that's all for today's video, everyone. I hope you guys enjoy. And thank you so much for watching. Bye! Love you all! Nay, I used to buy this one when we were in Korea.
Oh.
In a Lotte store.
Mm-hmm.
In a Lotte, they have a Lotte mall there.
Mm. Chocolate. Here in Antwerp. Do some shopping.
No.
And,
Oh,
we're
that's
gonna relax a bit. See you tomorrow. Doei doei. Bye bye.
Bye.